Africa at the moment, basically there's a huge decline in populations of the world's largest herbivores. So in blue, it's where they used to be before, elephants, hippos, and black rhinos. And in red, it's basically the small pockets where they can be found now. So it's a very, very dramatic loss of large herbivores. This can have a very strong impact because you'll end up seeing places like this that are basically covered in this noxious, toxic plant. So the expectation is that now, if elephants come back in a system like this, the direct and indirect effects that they induce can actually transform this really bad looking place into a place that can be, nice as a grassland that's supporting both wildlife and humans. And so there's a constant conflict that you may hear about between humans and wildlife, but this shows that basically wildlife, in this particular case herbivores, can play an extremely important role in facilitating human livelihoods.